I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your Amazon Fire tablet. First, you need to understand that Fire tablets do not come with the Google Play Store, which is essential for this game. We will install the Play Store by sideloading 4 special application files. Before starting, make sure your tablet has enough free space, ideally at least 2 gigabytes, to accommodate the game and its updates. This method is the only reliable way to get Call of Duty Mobile running on your device. Next, let's prepare your tablet. Navigate to your device's settings, then locate the Security and Privacy section. Here, you will need to enable apps from unknown sources, specifically for the Silk browser. This allows your tablet to install applications not found in the Amazon App Store. It is also helpful to know your tablet's model and Fire OS version, as some APK files are device-specific. Finally, temporarily remove any SD card. To ensure all necessary files download directly to your tablet's internal storage. Now, you will download 4 essential Google Play APK files from a reputable website, such as APK Mirror. These files include Google Account Manager, Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and the Google Play Store itself. It is critical to install these in a specific sequence. First, Account Manager. Second, Services Framework. Third, Play Services. And finally, the Play Store. After each installation, tap Done and proceed to the next file. Do not attempt to open the Play Store until all 4 are successfully installed. Once all 4 Google Play APKs are installed, restart your Amazon Fire tablet to finalize the setup. After your tablet reboots, you will find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen. Open it and sign in using your Google account credentials. From there, simply search for Call of Duty Mobile within the Play Store and download it just as you would on any other Android device. Congratulations! You can now enjoy Call of Duty Mobile on your Amazon Fire tablet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.